Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to Debian with SSH disable password login, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a Debian server up and running. Connect to your Debian server using SSH. Use the command line on your local machine. Enter the command SSH your username at your server IP. Replace your username with your actual username and your server IP with the server's IP address. Once connected, update your package list by entering sudo apt update. Install OpenSSH server if it's not already installed. Execute the command sudo apt install OpenServer. Verify that the SSH service is running. Use the command sudo systemcall status SSH. Now, open the SSH configuration file for editing. Type sudo nano /etc/ssh/sshd_config. Find the line that says #password authentication yes. Change it to password authentication no. This disables password-based login for SSH. Scroll down to find the line that says #permit root login yes. Change it to permit root login no. This prevents the root user from logging in via SSH. Next, ensure that you have an SSH key pair set up. If you don't have an SSH key pair, generate one on your local machine. Use the command SSH keygen. Follow the prompts to create your key. Once created, copy the public key to your Debian server. Use the command SSH copy ID your username at your server IP. This will prompt for your password one last time. After entering your password, this step adds your public key to the server. Now, log out from your SSH session. Type exit to safely disconnect. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.